In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then to manage wallpaper settings, click on the top left corner. Operate all of those options however you want to. And when you're finished, click at the top right corner to access bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Here it is. Tap Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it. So when I go back, as you can see, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!